Hi, I wanted to pop in real quick and tell you about Pilates Camp, which starts August 1st, 2020. So I host this only a few times a year and I love it so much and I'd love to have you there. It's free. You get 7 days of free workouts sent straight to your inbox. Now, why is it different than simply coming on over here to YouTube? First off, it is a great way to just start to be a part of my community and see what it's like, see what I offer over on my website. Another thing is I tailor these workouts specifically to give you an idea of what a full week of balanced workouts looks like. So it's a really specific order, very specific types of workouts. There are workouts that aren't usually found over here on YouTube, so you'll have some surprises and some fun things there. So it's a really nice way to jump in, feel motivated, get some energy, and see how home workouts can work for you, especially right now where we all are in the world. We all need a little bit of energy, a little inspiration. We need to feel strong and empowered. We need some energy for sure. I know I do. So this will give you an idea of how to make home workouts work for you. No matter who you are, no matter what your life situation is, every single workout is 30 minutes or less, so you can fit them into any busy day. So I'd love to see you there, but you do have to sign up. So the link is below to sign up. Again, it's free. Pilates Camp is free. 7 days of workouts sent straight to your inbox. We start August 1st, 2020, and I will see you there.